Happy morning, children. Now we will start with practice set 15.2. First question. Now in this question you have been asked to find the area of the rhombus and you have been given lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus 15 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Now for that you should know the formula to find the area of the rhombus. So area of the rhombus formula here is given. Area of the rhombus is equal to half into product of lengths of diagonals. This is the formula you have to apply. And symbolically also you can write half into d1 into d2. d1 means the quadrilateral has two diagonals. So we can mention it like this symbolically, d1 and d2. This way also you can write. So first we will write what is given to us. So I'll start with given. So in short we can write, now two diagonals is given to you. So we can write like this, d1 is equal to 15 centimeter and d2 is 24 centimeter. This is given to you. So we can write like this. And then what we have to find? Area of the rhombus. So you can write find area of the rhombus. Now what you will do? You will write formula. Area of the rhombus is equal to so as I said, you can mention it like this also. You can write half into d1 into d2. This way also you can write, which is equal to half into d1 is 15 into d2 is 24. Now you can write 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So you will get 15 into 12. 15 into 12, you do the calculation, you will get answer 180 square centimeter. Writing unit is very important. This way you have to solve the first question. Now second question is also of the same type. What is the second question here? Lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus are 16.5 centimeter and 14.2 centimeter. Find its area. So same method we will apply and we will solve the example. So second example given. Again you have been given two diagonals given. d1 is equal to 16.5 and d2 14.2. So d1 is equal to 16.5 centimeter and d2 is equal to 14.2 centimeter. Now what we will do? Again we will write the formula. First we will write find what? Area of the rhombus. Area of the rhombus. So we will write area of the rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2, which is equal to half into 16.5 into 14.2, which is equal to, now here see, like this also you can do 16.5. You can write it like this, half into, you remove this decimal. And how can we remove this decimal? By multiplying by 10. Half into 16.5 into 10. So I want to shift the decimal point. I want to make 16.5 165. So I'll multiply by 10. So if I'm multiplying by 10, I also have to divide by 10. 1 into 10 into, now 14.2. I'm getting frightened of decimal point. So I want to remove it, so I have to multiply by 10. Then again I have to also divide by 10. So this and this gets cancelled. So you are not changing anything, which is equal to, now what will happen? 1 by 2 into 16.5 into 10 will be 165 upon 10 into 14.2 into 10. The decimal point will shift by 1 digit. You will get 142 upon 10. Okay. Now what can be done? Here you can cancel like this. 2 ones are 2. 2 sevens are 14. 2 ones are 2. So you will get 165 upon 10 into 71 upon 10. This 10 10 no need to cancel, just keep it as it is, so that calculation becomes easier. Now 10 into 10 is 100, and 165 into 71 is going to give you 11,750. So you will get is equal to, now in the denominator there is 100. So first you write what is given in the numerator, and now start 1 2. So after decimal point you should have 2 digits. So the unit will be square centimeter. This way you have to solve the second example. But calculations you should be good at. Calculation should be done, how to remove the decimal point, this all you should know.